Another is Rani's family. Venu's family, we can see the whole family work is divided in amongst all the family members there. Venu's mother and father. Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from third standard NCRT book. Looking around. The name of the chapter is The Story of Food. Let's get started. They have shown two families here, and those families' images are also there. One is Venu's family, and another is Rani's family. Venu's family, we can see the whole family work is divided in amongst all the family members there. Venu's mother and father both are working for their family. Her father is he is doing cleaning work of house, and her mother is she is cooking for her family. And Venu is also in third picture. She is working for something. She is bringing something out from outside, like she is making she is doing shopping for her house. So all the three members of the family are working for family. In Rani's family, only mother is cooking, and Rani is serving the food to the persons in the, like, other persons in the family. She is serving the food, and the, like, we can say his father and her father and her brother, like, they are not working for family. They are just taking rest, while Renu and her mother are carrying luggage and they are working for their family. So we can see the difference from Venu's family and Rani's family there. So the story behind this, the conclusion behind this chapter is the work for your family should get divided equally amongst the family members. Okay, so let's check exercise. Do all the people in your family eat together? Yes, from my family we all eat together. I eat with my brother, mother, father. We all sit together and we eat. How who eats last in the family? No one. Who does not help in cooking food in the family, and why? In our family, my father does the cooking part, mostly cooking part. Like, he makes curry, he makes vegetables, he cook vegetables, and my mother makes roti and chapati, whatever we eat, roti and bhakri. And my father afterwards, he cleans the vessels, and my mother makes cleaning of the house. So we do it by dividing the work. Like, I also do the shopping work. My brother also work. We both work, like, we do shopping for our house. We buy vegetables from outside. We buy some things, like whichever needed, biscuits, rava, and dals. We bring from outside, we bring from shop. There is another question regarding the difference between your house and your friend's house. Cooking food, who does in your home cooking food? My mother and father, they both cook. In my friend's house, only her mother cooks. Buying things from the market, we siblings, me and my brother, we buy from the outside. Sweeping is done by my mother. Cleaning the utensils, my father. Filling the water, my mother. So all these works are done dividedly. Who does more work in your house? No one does more work, because there is equally divided, the work part is equally divided. So no one does the more work. In your friend's house, her mother works more work. Where does what we eat come from? We have to make circle over the letters. The words come from animals, we have to make circle as red circle, and the words come from plants. We need to do green circle around the words. So let's see, honey comes from plant or animals? Yes, animals, right. So make their red circle. Turmeric comes from plant, so we need to do green circle around that. Fish comes from animals, right. So we are going to do red circle around that. Corn comes from tree, we need to make green circle around that. Milk comes from animal, red circle. Lemon comes from plant, green circle. Spinach, green circle. Potato, green circle. Ajwain, green circle. Egg, red circle. Meat, red circle. Banana, green circle. Tomato, green circle. Onion, green circle. Thank you. Students, we have to choose a remedy which comes from plants. So there are some ill effects in the human beings, so they have given us ill effects, so we have to give remedy out of plants. We have to take medicines from plants for that particular disease or ill effect. So let's see, if we get hurt, what we use to treat that using plants. What we use? Turmeric we use. Have a stomach ache, so what we use there? Ginger paste, ginger, lemon and honey paste we use there. Have cough and cold, we use lemongrass when we have cough and cold. Lemongrass as well as ginger and honey paste. Have a toothache, we use cloves for toothache. Cloves. Okay, choose the correct basket for each item. Draw a line to match. Ginger will get connected to any other part of a plant because ginger is the root. Carrot is also root, any other part of plant. Flowers of conchar would be flowers, connecting to flowers. Mango would be connected to fruits. Jackfruit would be connected to fruits. Gram would be connected to any other part of plant. Gram is basically seed of the plant, so we are going to connect any other part of a plant. Amla is fruit. French beans is a seed, again any other part of plant. Spinach is leaves. Lotus stem is any other part of a plant. Mustard is any other part of plant because it is seeds. These are seeds. Cauliflower is flowers. Curry leaves is leaves. Radish is root, so any other part of plant. Banana is any other part of banana is fruits, sorry. Potato is any other part of plant. Potato is stem of the plant. Okay, we have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. टीम आयांश उसके पूंछ पे झट से कूदता है. मोती बार्क्स अलाउड. मोती क्या करता है? डॉग क्या करता है? जोर से भौंकता है. एवरीवन नाउ नोज वेयर ही इज. सबको पता चलता है कि मोती कहाँ है.